Saw the sunrise over Cyprus on a day that never ends. A beauty so majestic I can't comprehend. This island of love where dreams come true. A sky so wonderful, a sea so blue. The things we have to consider, the choices we have to make. Everything in life is a matter of give and take. If time stands still just once, and memories are made tonight.
Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back today. We're in downtown Paphos, and we are to the rear of the Almera Hotel and Spa. And guess what? Miss Marika is with us. Where are you off to, the boo? You're going the wrong way as usual.
No. Hello, everybody. How nice to see you again. And very nice to watch them. I couldn't manage it.
Miss LeBouf has lost the plot.
You
There we go.
remember.
You're supposed to be on camera, LeBouf. As usual, we're live.
Yes, I
Yes,
know.
right.
But because we're live, I'm very natural. I
Very
don't
natural.
have to hide anything.
exactly.
And I don't have to play like a best actress because I am who I am. Look at
Yes,
that.
LeBouf. There is a bunch of lunatics, as we call them, on jet skis, racing around. Have a look at that. Absolutely spectacular. As they come back in, they have to go nice and slowly. That is the legal requirements. They have to literally switch off the engines and, for want of a better phrase, coast or freewheel in. Anyway, there's a Gumbaru. He's off. We startled the Gumbaru. Hey, Gumbaru. Nope. He's a startled Gumbaru. He's obviously used to being shooed away. Anyway, very nice cat indeed. Right, stick with us because we're going to take you on a little coastal pathway walk from the rear of the Almera Hotel and Spa down to the Paphos promenade. So we'd like you to stick with us. Here we go.
What a lovely breeze it is.
There's a lovely breeze tonight, correct. The sun is just going down in the sky, as you can see behind the buildings over there, and along with that comes ever such a slight breeze off the beautiful, beautiful blue Mediterranean Sea, and it becomes a beautiful, tranquil area, very calm, and becomes very vibrant. There's a Gumbaru on the edge there, another one waiting for his lunch. Look at that. He's thinking, is there any lunch, or is it time for dinner? So as we go along the pathway, we're going to give you, well, an idea of roughly where we are each time. We are still to the rear of the Almera Hotel, a true five-star luxury hotel in downtown Paphos. And then just over there is the Paphos water sports and boat trips. Now, if you do follow us, you will understand that these are friends of ours, Gumbarus of ours. So we're able to pop along there and, should we say, pretty much go on anything they've got. And obviously they don't charge us anymore. And we keep it short and concise, and the idea is to give us a bit of content and to give you people hopefully an idea of some of the things and some of the fun that you can have. So there it is, the Paphos water sports and boat trips. And as I said, this is the rear of the five-star luxury Almera Hotel. And then there is a little hutch where Mr. Abraham stands pretty much all day. And he's the gentleman who looks like an extra from a Bond film, as I say. He has mirror sunglasses, a rather nice blue hat on. He's a very nice guy indeed. And he is the one that guides you through all of the things that they've got. There it is, Paphos water sports and boat trips. They say it's a party, and guess what? It is. So that is the rear of the Almera five-star luxury hotel. Now, as you can hear in the background, there is something starting to ramp up. So as we approach that restaurant, we will do the Batman and Robin run. Yes, Robin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who is Batman, me or you?
Whichever. You
Batwoman.
can be Batwoman if you want, and I'll be Robin in a pair of tights. Yeah, so I'll put the tights on now, the little cape. So you can be the Cape Crusader, and I'll be the man in the tights. So we're going to start the run. Right, go on, both. It's time. Because the music around here is that little bit too loud and it's that little bit too far, so we have to get a move on, shall we say. Otherwise, YouTube is going to delete the video. There we go.
2 more runs and
Now, what you've got to understand is we're getting a little bit too old for this. We're going to get out of breath one of these days, that's for sure. Maybe I am. Anyway.
write me down in
No?
the list.
Okay. So here we are now to the rear of the Annabelle Hotel. So that again is another luxury 5-star hotel. That's the sunbathing deck at the rear. And there is the beautiful, beautiful blue Mediterranean Sea. Absolutely spectacular. And it truly is a view worth dying for. If we do that run that many more times, I think we are going to die. Monsieur Leboeuf?
No, we are not gonna die. We are gonna dieting.
Dieting. There we are. Very good play on the words, Miss Otching, Monsieur Leboeuf. We are on a diet. Believe it or not, I am going to try and switch from the full-fat Coca-Cola, dare I say it, to Coke Zero. Have a look at that. An absolutely beautiful, tranquil, calm place. The sun has vanished and it's now on its way to Australia. The Australians are living in hope that the sun will arrive, but don't worry, we're going to snatch it back at around about 6:15 in the morning, and yet again downtown Paphos will have a wonderful, wonderful, spectacular day. That is for sure.
Well, how nice time we're spending. You know, we're not spending, we're enjoying the nice time.
We're enjoying the nice, yeah.
And yeah, to spend is not the right word, Mr. Paul, because if you spend, it concerns the money. Yeah?
So, yet again, we believe now that this is possibly the most pleasant view in the whole of the Paphos area. It's where the coastal pathway there ends and it joins the Paphos promenade. So there are all the bars, restaurants, gift shops, etc. And there's the length of the promenade that then arcs round and curves round to the Paphos Harbour, and it ends at the fort or the castle, whichever you choose to call it. I think technically it is a fort, although some people do refer to it as the Paphos Castle. In fact, the tourism board refers to it as a castle, so there's confusion. So we'll always call it a castle and a fort. Now, so this is some upgrading work that has been going on now for quite a while. So there's toilets and changing areas to allow you to get into your swimwear and to get out of your swimwear. And there's the raised deck area, and then back out to the sea. So if you need to get changed and go have a little dip, there it is. That's what you're looking for. Lovely. Really, really is nice.
And then you recognize your husband or a wife, or anybody went in by the feet.
By the feet.
By the legs.
Yeah. Well, you pop in, Leboeuf. Pop in that one, and let's see if I can recognise you by the legs.
In the broken one.
Because that's the only one that's open, I think. In you go. Oh, you've got a man in there with you, Leboeuf. Look at that. Right. So I'll walk past and see if I can recognise Mitch Otching Receivy Leboeuf's legs. Here we go. We're going to walk past. Here we go. I'll have a quick look. That's Miss Otching Receivy Leboeuf's hands, but not her legs. I know it's her hands because I recognised the watch.
I was laughing.
Right. Miss Otching Receivy, as usual, Miss Otching Receivy Leboeuf, as usual, is monkeying around. So, let's have a very, very big goodbye, Miss Otching Receivy Leboeuf.
Yeah, lovely meeting you, lovely being with you. Every time you're with us, we're feeling all right. I hope that you enjoyed the videos, and all the time when you see us, you will see more and more of our madnesses. Be happy, be healthy, watch us please, and click and subscribe to watch another of our new madnesses.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, and if you do like what you see, please hit the like, click subscribe, and come back for some more of our madness. The skies are a little bit cloudy, but I can hear a jumbo jet up there, and obviously it's coming into land because now I've just made it out. It's coming out of the clouds. There are lights flashing up in the sky if you look very, very carefully, and that means that 250 wonderful people are coming to downtown Paphos. This Otching Receivy Leboeuf is monkeying around. Here we go. It's a world first, live on Marika and Me. There we go. We've gone through the barricades, and now we are on the very, very top of the sunbathing terrace, and Miss Otching Receivy Leboeuf is going to dance in the moonlight.
Can you imagine this roof will crash?
Well, hopefully not, Miss Leboeuf. Hopefully not. So here we are on top of the changing rooms. This is a seating area and a sunbathing area. There you go, Leboeuf.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
What's it show?
People going down. It's just they're
Right,
passing.
there we go.
Somebody passed now, and you can see the.
Interesting.
No.
There we go. So you can stand up here and drop things. No, that would be naughty. Anyway, there is the Paphos promenade and harbour area. Have a look at that. Absolutely spectacular. And there's the sun's rays as it fades and pops off to downtown Cato, Adelaide. Receiving a booth?
Wow. Wonderful views. We are an evidences of the beautiful Mediterranean site. You should come and have it. The views.
Thanks for watching. I'll leave you with the view as I go 360. Look at that.
Saw the sunrise over Cyprus on a day that never ends. A beauty so majestic I can't comprehend. This island of love where dreams come true. A sky so wonderful, a sea so blue. The things we have to consider, the choices we have to make. Everything in life is a matter of give and take. If time stands still just once, and memory